which of the following values of H plus or OH minus represents a basic solution? Basic solution. OH equal 1 times 10 to the minus 9th. H plus equal 1 times 10 to the minus 3. H plus equal OH minus equal 1 times 10 to the minus 7th. D option, H plus equal 1 times 10 to the minus 10. Okay, I think we have this diagram before. This is a concentration of H plus or H3O plus, hydrogen cation or hydronium cation. They are both the same. They are both the same. We said that if the concentration of H plus equal 10 to the minus 7, this is a neutral solution. Neutral solution. Okay. If more than, greater than 10 to the minus 7, greater meaning 10 to the minus 6, 10 to the minus 5, until we reach to 10 to the minus 1, 10 to the minus 0. Okay. If the concentration of hydrogen cation greater than 10 to the minus 7, so this is acid solution, acidic solution. Okay, if H plus, the concentration of hydrogen cation was less than 10 to the minus 7, less meaning 10 to the minus 8, 10 to the minus 9, until we reach to 10 to the minus 14. This is a basic solution. Basic solution. Okay. So you have to look to the value of H plus, which is lower or less than 10 to the minus 7. Of course, here, look at these values. H with minus 10 to the minus 3, this is acid. H equal, or H equal 10 to the minus 7, this is neutral. H equal 10 to the minus 10. It's here in this area, 10 to the minus 10. Okay, so this is a basic solution. But for A option, OH equal 1 times 10 to the minus 9th. You remember, I think we have taken this before. POH, H plus, OH minus. To convert between these two values, 10 to the minus 14th divided by the value. Okay, so we have OH, 10 to the minus 9. You have to convert it into H plus by dividing 10 to the minus 14 by 10 to the minus 9, and so H plus will be, H plus is going to be 10 to the minus 5. 10 to the minus 5 here in this area, and this is acid, and this will be an acid. So the correct option is D. Just for remembering this full diagram, from pH to POH, we have to subscribe 14 minus the value. Okay. From pH to H, we have to put 10 to the minus pH, the value. from H2pH minus log the value. From pH to the concentration, to convert it to the concentration, 10 to the minus the value. The same here in POH minus log value 10 to the minus the value. Okay, if you have POH, put it in a power of 10 to the minus, then you will have the concentration of hydroxide anion.